For more Bollywood gossips, hit the bell icon and never miss an update from Movies Adda. The Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam couple Aishwarya Rai and Salman Khan were a hot couple off-screen before their very bitter and public breakup way back in 2001. Since then, the two have completely avoided each other. While Salman has fallen in and out of love quite a few times, Ash has settled down with Abhishek Bachchan and is now a mother of a cute daughter, Aradhya. But late Thursday night, we saw the two together at Taj Lands End as they rung in the birthday of the famous filmmaker Subhash Ghai. However, the two did not enter at the same time and avoided each other completely. Still, separate pictures of them enjoying the party have gone viral, and this is when we realized that the two were under the same roof. That's all for now, but keep watching this space for more updates on this hot story. And feel free to share your comments with us in the section below. Filmmaker Rohit Shetty is a magician who can make a fortune out of any film. His hugely successful Golmaal franchise too is a cult. But besides this, his Super Cop franchise too has picked up big time. No one could imagine the huge success of his films Singham and Simba. And now he has already announced his next cop film Suryavanshi, where Khiladi Akshay Kumar will play the leading role. Well, after this, producer Sajid Nadiadwala had roped in Rohit Shetty and Salman Khan for a cop-based film. Yes, sources reveal that the shooting for this film will begin in mid-2020. And now we wonder if this will be an extension of his Super Cop franchise or will it be something entirely different? What do you think? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. This Republic Day was indeed quite special for Varun Dhawan as he delivered a power-packed performance at the Wagah border, especially for the security forces. Yes, Varun had teamed up with V Unbeatable dance crew and grooved to the Suno Gaur Se Duniya Walo number from Salman Khan's film. Dressed in camouflage pants and black t-shirts, the team danced in unison as they gave us all a spectacular show to enjoy. On the work front, Varun has recently wrapped up the film Kalank, where he stars with the Razi star Alia Bhatt. This film is based on the partition and independence struggle. So now after this film, his rocking performance at the Atari border is indeed showing us how much he loves and respects his nation. So what do you have to say about Varun's amazing performance? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. The weekend began on a happy note for all B-Towners as Mukesh Bhatt's daughter Sakshi Bhatt tied the knot and had hosted a reception at Taj Lands End on Friday. Just a day before, filmmaker Subhash Ghai too had rung in his birthday at the same venue. Both the events were star-studded with quite a few celebrities gracing the event. Here we see pics of Alia Bhatt having a blast at her cousin's reception. An elated Mukesh was seen welcoming all the guests, but when Salman Khan entered the venue, it was quite electrifying. The staff as well as guests were all delighted to see the Bhaijan, who warmly greeted the newlyweds and was seen mingling with everyone at ease. His air of royalty was unmistakable, and seeing him being a part of his industry peers' happy and sad moments did make us feel delighted. That's all for now, but keep watching this space for more such industry trivia and feel free to share your comments with us in the section below.
मैं सबसे मिला जाकर पहले क्या होता था कि काम आपके घर पे आता था, अब वैसा नहीं रहा, अभी आपको काम जाके ढूंढना पड़ता है. तो आई स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग दैट एंड आई स्टार्टेड मीटिंग एवरीवन. फिर जब मैं एक बारी सलमान के साथ था, हम CCL एक क्रिकेट लीग खेलते हैं, तो उसने कहा ये दाढ़ी क्यों उगा रखी है, शेव कर, सबके बुरे टाइम आते हैं. मेरा भी टाइम बुरा था एक बारी, पर मैं तेरे भाई की पीठ पर चढ़ गया था और संजय दत्त की पीठ पर चढ़ गया था. तो मैंने बोला फिर मामू मुझे तेरी पीठ पर चढ़ने थे. आई मीन यू नो, सो and he was really sweet. तब से उसने कभी, he always kept thinking of doing something with me, and finally जब फ़ोन आया मुझे तो सलमान का, मामू शेयर उतारेगा, मैंने बोला मामू मैं कुछ भी करूँगा. तो इसी तरह रेस भी शुरू हुई और आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू हिम.
What kind of shape is this, man? A round of applause for how Bobby Deol is looking. What a comeback!
Not Bobby Deol anymore, Body Deol.
But he is Bobby the Body Bomb. I like that. And
The teaser of Salman's upcoming film Bharat took the web by storm, and everyone was impressed by Salman Khan in his various avatars. But there were some fans who noticed a stark resemblance to Mahesh Babu's film Bharat Aane Nenu. Yes, take a close look at both the films and here you will see that Salman Khan is mouthing dialogues just like Mahesh Babu in the film. That's not all. Both the films have a partition scene in it, which makes the resemblance even more uncanny. Now everyone is wondering why a superstar like Salman Khan is trying to imitate another star. So let's tell you that years ago when Salman Khan was facing a rough patch in his career, he revived his career with the film Wanted, which is a remake of Mahesh Babu's film Pokhri. And now once more we're seeing that his films are not doing too well, and so he's keen to make Bharat work. No wonder he's seeking inspiration from Mahesh Babu. So what do you have to say about this? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Bachchan siblings Shweta and Abhishek recently graced Karan Johar's controversial chat show Coffee with Karan 6. And here we noticed that the usually sassy and bold Kejo was holding back and being extra polite to the two. Now this made us wonder what could be the reason for this. And now we got to know that this layer of politeness was because Jaya Bachchan had warned Karan not to ask her kids any controversial questions. That's not all, she had even instructed her kids to be firm and not get provoked into saying things which would make them regret later. Maybe Jaya too is playing safe after the backlash received by Hardik Pandya for his derogatory comments on Karan's show. Jaya Bachchan's warning seems to have worked, and while Karan too was quite cautious, the responses of the Bachchan siblings too seemed calculated and politically correct. So what do you have to say about this? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. As the shooting of Salman Khan's upcoming film Bharat is inching towards an end, everyone is hooked on to every small bit of information regarding the film. Sneak peeks from the sets, information about the star cast and a lot more have made the fans desperate to get a glimpse of the film. But for this we have to wait till 5th of June when the film releases. But that's too long, and so everyone was waiting for the teaser of the film to unveil. Ever since filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar had hinted that the teaser would be unveiled on Republic Day, we were all waiting with bated breath. And now that the teaser is finally out, we're all delighted at the emotional kaleidoscope unleashed. Fans are so delighted with the teaser that everyone has gone crazy. Indeed, seeing such an amazing teaser has truly left all of us impressed. What about you? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. These days, everyone seems to be talking about Shah Rukh Khan and Don 3. Now, we all know that Prissy has played his jungly Billy Roma in the first 2 innings. But following a ban by Gauri Khan, King Khan will never work with Priyanka Chopra again. So with this, everyone was wondering who would play her role in the film. Well, sources have claimed that the name reigning the list is that of Katrina Kaif. Yes, Kat and SRK were last seen together in the film Zero. And although the film did not do too well at the box office, Katrina's role was well appreciated. And now, more recently, the diva has also replaced PC in Salman Khan's upcoming film Bharat. So it's but natural that she will be the ideal choice for Don 3 as well. So what do you have to say about this? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.